What is up, guys? We are here with another box
unboxing.
Okay. Oh wait, forgot to say the most important. This is from Brazil. Let's do it. All right. This is the unboxing. You guys see? Quick sneak peek.
Oh,
all right.
look at that.
All right. So, do you want to show them these and then I'll read it out like I did with Alexia one time?
Oh, they have cochinos in the back.
Oh my god, what?
Right here. But I don't think they have it in here. I think it's just snacks. But this just
Dude,
says
imagine.
facts about Brazil.
Oh, I thought that was, it said coxinha at first.
And then it shows this picture.
Alright, ready?
Alright, go.
So this first one is called Passatempo by Nestle. I don't know which one. Blue, I think it's this one. Yep, show them. That's Passatempo by Nestle. Alright, and then we have another one, Choquito. Yep, Choquito by Nestle also. That's another one. Oh, we got this one. Frutas by Gomez.
Oh, damn. These
It's
are
hard.
like gummies, yeah.
Alright. We got Goiabada. And
Ew, what the F is...
yeah,
Ew.
Goiabada. Oh, that's the...
Yeah, this thing I'm liking.
Yeah, I like eating this guy. Guys, you'll see a little bit into the video that... Oh, maybe the first thing I eat. Let's see.
Gross.
Alright. Oh. Coxinhas. Yeah. No, this one. Coxinhas. Yeah. Oh my god, that's crazy. Coxinhas.
So this tastes like coxinha?
With presunto. Yeah. So coxinha with, I guess, presunto, which is like some Brazilian pastry that has chicken inside and a bunch of stuff. Alright, next one. Bouton by Garoto. Which...
Right here.
Oh, okay. Show
I think
them.
I've ate this before.
Yeah.
I think didn't we eat this in the Brazilian candies?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
And then this one, Diamante Negro by Lacta.
Wow.
Guys, if I'm saying it wrong, please don't judge me, because I definitely don't like saying this stuff. The next one is Laca Branco by Lacta.
It's not here.
And it's definitely not here. Oh, okay. That's pretty nice. Okay. Another one that does not look like it's here. Maybe mom ate it.
That's that one right here. That's the...
Oh yeah, okay. Torcida chips by Lucky.
Might get these. These are good.
Yeah, that's definitely good. Alright, so do you want to pick one?
Yeah, sure.
I'll pick this one. Like I said I would. The Goiabada.
I'll eat this
I'll
one.
open it so you guys could see. Yeah, it's like a, if you guys don't know what it is, it's like a fruit. That you're like, it's like kind of like jam, almost.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's not bad, right?
Bruh.
Mm. Pretty good. You want to take a bite?
No.
No?
That's disgusting. Okay, I got the little fruits. The candy.
Oh, that was good.
These are like sugar.
I think it's like hard, right?
I think so. I think it's just gummy. Where's the open? Like,
Guys, also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We always appreciate doing videos like this.
okay, I'm gonna take.
I'll take the yellow one.
Doesn't smell like anything.
It's not hard. Pretty weird. It's like coated with like sugar around, obviously. But
tastes like soda. Like Phantom.
oh yeah, it does. This
Yeah, right?
yellow one is like pineapple.
Yeah, mine tastes like Phantom.
That's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, I pick you one. You pick me one.
Okay.
Pick you this.
Pick you this one.
I thought you were gonna get me the coconut because I hate coconut, but
Coconut's not that bad.
yeah, I hate coconut.
I feel two on this.
Oh, this is actually hard. Oh, there you go. Oh,
What does it say?
yeah, this is the vovozinho. No, well, vovozinha. Yeah, there you go. Stands for, if you guys don't know, grandma. And these are like this, which I'm assuming it's like popcorn.
Pipoca.
Yeah.
That's popcorn, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't need that though. What does it taste like?
Stop it. Get some help.
I have a mixed feeling about this.
Guess what?
It's not bad. It's
It smells
good.
like coffee.
It
right,
does.
right?
It says feito do milho, which is made with corn. I don't know. Just probably like, it tastes like a caramel popcorn. That's what it tastes
Ew,
like.
mom would like that.
I'll take another one. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, look at this amazing picture that came with the box. Amazing. Alright.
I got
Let's
this
try it.
one.
Ooh, that looks good.
It smells like dark chocolate. I don't
Alright.
like dark chocolate.
Oh, okay. Alright.
What the? Look at that.
It's like shiny. Show them.
Looks like gold. Like.
Literally looks like gold. I'm not interested. Oh, wait.
What's
That's
that?
why it says diamante. Yeah, diamante meaning diamond. So it looks like
Looks like
diamond.
glass.
What if it's glass? I'm just joking. Alright, I'll take one.
Oh, I don't like the flavor.
European chocolate's so different from the US.
It's too,
Weird.
It's like,
Right?
that's nasty. That's too dark.
That one's not too bad. Right. Here you go. This is what I'm picking out for her. Is that what you're picking out for me?
Yeah, I'll pick this one.
Alright. I'll let them see closer.
Ugh, this just has coconut
Too easy.
inside.
Oh, look.
I don't like coconut. I'm gonna take a small bite.
Alright.
Yeah, it just tastes like plain coconut with chocolate. It's not that bad. Coconut is not bad. It's actually not that bad.
This chocolate has no taste. Swear. Weird.
What does it smell?
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we...
Don't have COVID.
Yes, exactly. Alright. Next one. For her.
I know what these are. I used to eat these. I used to eat the strawberry ones. Give this last chocolate.
Yes.
You had that?
No.
Oh.
Just looks good. Oh wait, before I open
Choquito.
it. Choquito is the one that I got So I don't know if you guys know what tiger is. It? No, it's not tiger. It's lion. The chocolate lion kind of has the same concept. If you guys see, same concept. It's probably caramel inside. Let's see. This one has a twist to it.
It says made with milk, and all crumbs are coming down on my pants. This is mine. I used to eat these. These are not that bad. Have you ever had one of these before?
No. Not in chocolate.
Alright, I'm gonna put this in the box.
Okay. Good idea. Why do you smell it?
It just smells like baby cookies.
Baby cookies?
Yeah.
Oh, show them the design. This is crazy.
Mine is already broken.
This is actually nice. So. Wait, I don't know what it is. It's like a tiger maybe? I don't know. And this one in the back, that's dope. Elephant. So I'm assuming all of them have different ones.
You know that those cookies? It's like white cookies. Nilla, something like that.
Oh, Nilla wafer?
Oh yeah.
No, was it?
Yeah.
It tastes like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Not a bad thing, right? Okay. Alright. I don't know which one.
Pick. I know you want the Cucino one, so.
No. I want this one.
Okay.
You want to go first?
Oh my god, this smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't your mom get them? I thought she used to she got these things.
She used to. Then she stopped. She said that inflation was too high.
That's good.
It is good?
Like with the meat.
Yeah.
Oh my. Wow, this is amazing.
It really tastes like ham.
Mark Wayne's, I love you. Every time you do an expression to the food, just makes me feel what you feel towards food. Love you, my guy. My turn. Oh, what the heck? This one looks like there's stuffing inside.
Stuffing?
Yeah. Dude, look at this.
Oh, it comes like that. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
You sure?
What does it taste like?
That definitely does not taste like that.
So what does it taste like?
Well, it's supposed to taste like Brazilian sausage, which I know what it tastes like, but it just doesn't taste like it.
Let me taste it.
Has it's like a whole weird taste to it. Let me see this one.
That literally tastes like ham.
Oh yeah, this has the resemblance of that. This I don't even know where they made it.
This one's better.
Has no taste. You know the myth, what they say, that how you're supposed to eat this? So they say like, this is what Mike told me. It says you gotta put on the finger caps like this. Like this. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you're supposed to eat it like that.
Okay.
Weird, huh?
I don't think that's how you eat it like that.
Wow. Okay. So let's go to, what do you think was the best on that box?
This one.
Same.
Yeah, this one was the best. Tastes better. It's good. Good flavor.
Now, you do realize, I think they're very like known for stuff like these, right? Like these, like, I don't know. I think they have like picanha too.
Flavor chips?
Yeah, these flavor chips, they actually like try for it.
Yeah.
These are like probably the best chips that I can probably think of and eat and enjoy.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not like the, it's like the cheese balls, right? The cheese balls. What do you call it? Cheese puffs.
Yeah.
So it's like that, but it has its own taste. Like, if I don't know how to explain it, it's just so much better. But should we tell them some Brazilian facts?
Okay.
Or shall I say it?
Brazil covers 3 time zones. Their population is
3 time zones. Wow.
The population is very big, and the language that they speak is obviously Portuguese.
8.5. What?
That's landmass.
Oh my God.
516
Capital
million.
is Brasilia, which I know. Climate tropical. Government type federal president. Okay, I don't think we care about that.
Brazil effectively shuts down for carnival with partying day and night.
Yep, guys, you already know. Brazil is known for that.
Brazil has won the World Cup soccer finals 5 times, more than any other nation.
As you can see,
How do you feel
Ronaldo
about
up top.
Bruh.
Yeah, he can edit it.
Bruh.
Alright, so let's just end this with like we already said that one was the best.
The worst one.
And the worst one, yeah. I think everybody wants to know the worst one. Honestly, I'm have to go.
This one.
Yeah.
The one that has the diamonds.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't like the chocolate on it.
Yeah, it's tasted
Not that great.
Tasted dark. Too dark.
But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more videos like this, or any other country that you guys want, or whatever, just comment down below. We'll do it. We always appreciate new ideas. That's what keeps us running. So, anything else you gotta say? Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and
we'll see you next time.
there you go. Bye, guys.